Hello.
Hi.
What are you doing?
Getting ready to get on vacation.
That's it? Is this
I'm
much?
going to Nashville!
Going to Nashville! Yeehaw! All right. Oops. Gotta get the parking brake. I swear I've driven since the pandemic started. So, good morning, navigators. We are heading right now to some place, a very mysterious place we have not been to, and I can't remember. When's the last time we went to an airport?
Oh, goodness. Well, December of 2019, we did a cruise.
And have we done Vegas that year?
No. It's been a while.
It's been a while.
Needless to say, we're a little rusty. Packing was a bit rough.
I couldn't even figure out how to pack the car this morning because it's been so long since I've had to pack a car.
And it's kind of like Tetris, you have to pack the suitcases, then you've got my wheelchair, so it's a bit of a puzzle. But 7 a.m. on the dot, heading to RSW. Very excited after 15 months of pretty much solitude. Just Nate and I and Tessie Doc. We're not only going on a trip, but probably going to a trip where there's going to be like hundreds of thousands of people.
Lots of people.
So very excited. Heading to Nashville for 4th of July weekend. So very excited to show you our adventure and looking forward to getting out of Florida. I'll tell you.
Gotta be epic! Gotta be epic! Yeehaw! Great, we're on.
Alright, so I'll check in at Southwest. Super easy this morning. Granted, we did get here a little bit early just for, we've heard a lot of the news stories that there's been short staffing and long lines, so we just didn't want to feel rushed. But the check-in process with Southwest was fantastic, super easy. We were checking in at the kiosk and a woman came over, did an assessment of my wheelchair, took down just the brand, the color, the upholstery color, and the condition, so that she has a copy and I have a copy, which is great because, it is part of essentially your body, and you're handing this over to someone. Granted, we take tools with us and whatnot, but things can happen when other people that don't really know how to handle your wheelchair are handling it. So right now, great. We're heading to the gate, and there'll be another check-in process there where they're going to do a destination tag for my chair. And then we'll also request to have a aisle seat so that I can transfer and get down to the aisle. So far so good with Southwest. Very happy.
Do you ever feel you don't get out what you're putting in? All your hopes and efforts are all in vain. Pick you up when you've lost everything. Does it all become for granted with a wedding ring? Oh, there must be more. There must be another way. There must be conscience. Different things in different ways. There must be love. There must be a reason. Oh, and if that someone makes you smile and leaves you with a scar, don't let them tell you what you feel or who you
All right,
The boarding chaos.
the boarding chaos, and it is chaotic. But I have to say, so far, Southwest people have been super friendly.
So one of the bonuses, we've only flown Southwest one other time, and we didn't necessarily need to get into the aisle chair, so we thought we would try it again, and it was awesome. I could actually stay right in my wheelchair, be able to navigate around the corner, and then transfer into the bulkhead seating. So just to give you perspective, I think my wheelchair is about 24 inches wide, so it just makes it a little bit easier, one less step in the whole process. We're on.
I gave it all to you for too long.
All right, so we've made it to Nashville. We're just waiting for our ride. We'll give you a review of the ride if it's good. If it wasn't good, we'll still give you a review, but we won't post it until we get back home.
And just to give you some context, we've heard and read that the accessible taxi service by the companies here is a little bit hit or miss. So Nate was actually able to find a company who so far has been wonderful to work with over the phone, really responsive. So we'll keep you posted. So if anyone else needs a good taxi service down the road on their trip to Nashville, hopefully we got one for you.
All right, looking for Kara and Nate. Have you seen Kara and Nate?
I don't see Kara and Nate.
Nice to see Kara and Nate. I'm gonna keep an eye out this way. I'm gonna look for Kara and Nate.
I feel like we should share this.
Nope, I don't see Kara and Nate there either. All right, so a little update here. Our driver's supposed to be here about 5 minutes ago, but it's okay. They're on their way. Actually, I want to get that glare. There's a lot of glare over there. But I guess Nashville has really bad traffic. So we're just hanging here, having a good time, enjoying the car fumes, chilling out, trying to stay out of people's way as they're getting on with their journeys. So we're just hanging in there. We're going to get there. All right. Okay, great. Oh, not too long. We got in, we were, it was quicker getting off the airplane than we're used to, so.
I know, which you never hear of,
All right, the ride is here. Colleen's getting buckled in. We're using Prime Care today, which is great because they're designed for a wheelchair, so very exciting.
Okay, YouTubers. I'm excited.
Yeah, we got, oh, you should be. We got like 65 followers. We're big time.
Oh, that's a good thing. 65 is better than that.
We're creeping. Well, the sad thing is when we stopped making videos during the pandemic,
Oh, wow.
we got more followers.
Yeah.
That's right.
Oh. But I'm thinking you should have been there. That would have been the best time to make all kind of videos.
Well, it's kind of based on travel and a little bit touching on accessibility too. So we actually kind of wanted to highlight too what you guys offer because, to be honest, we had heard it was really a challenge to find accessible
Well, it was a challenge because we called a couple cab companies. They're like, oh, we don't have any accessible cabs at all. I'm like, oh.
Really?
Yeah. They said, oh, we haven't put them back into service since COVID, and
Yeah, a lot of people still not open because of COVID.
yeah.
We've been driving since COVID.
Wow.
Yeah,
Wow.
we didn't stop. We didn't slow down anything. We've been still driving since COVID.
Wow. Well, I'm sure that was good to keep the employment and the business going too.
Oh yeah, because a lot of people was like, oh my God, y'all still going to a doctor's appointment? Like, yeah, we still go.
Yeah. Well, it's grateful. My husband came across the company, and everyone's been really wonderful to deal with.
Oh, well, I'm glad you like.
Our driver was great. She talked all about Nashville and how much fun we were going to have. She gave us some tips and tricks for getting around and some things that we should do. But we had one more very important question to ask.
That's nice.
Now I'm going to ask you the question, though, of questions.
Okay.
Where's the best hot chicken?
Oh, we have so many. You know, we have Memphis 615 here. We have Princess, of course, number one. We have 400 Degrees.
I got Hattie B's, right?
We got Hattie B's. We got Helen's.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, we got a little bit of everything.
What's your favorite?
Do you have a favorite?
Princess.
Princess.
Princess. I love Princess chicken because it has the right flavor, the right hot. You can get it just as hot as you want it, or you can get it as mild as you want it, and the flavor is amazing.
Okay.
That's my first choice. Second choice is 400 Degrees. When I tell you she's good, she's good. Her food's good too.
Love it.
Yeah.
So next question, is it really, really hot?
Well, yes.
Okay.
Yes, it really is hot. You can get it mild, medium, hot, extra hot, hella hot, death hot. Yeah, they get hell hot. It's hot. Princess has the hottest chicken around here.
Okay.
And with that, we had arrived in downtown Nashville for our journey. So stay tuned next time as we take you around Nashville, Tennessee, and show you all that this great town has to offer. All right, so you know you're in a Florida airport when they have a golf cart display, because that is a key thing. No one drives cars in Florida. That's a big misnomer. Everyone drives a golf cart all year long, but no one plays golf. They just have a golf cart. That's how it works.